As you know, many school districts throughout California and the United States rely on the use of portable facilities. They're not the most energy efficient facilities. And by bringing in, let's say by losing older portables within a district, we can put in, let's just say 26 classrooms in a two-story PreFast facility or multiple facilities and lose older portables that are less energy efficient, that need multiple repairs, in fact an exorbitant amount of repairs, roofing and so forth, probably even some mold issues and environmental concerns that we can address, and bring in a much more efficient building and saving on the energy piece as well as some of the maintenance requirements. Being in construction, facilities maintenance for 33 years myself, I was very impressed with the synchronized activity that took place on site, all the way from safety through planning the project and implementing the construction phases with a lot of positive communication, Q&A, a lot of information being processed, and then the speed, the delivery of the product was pretty amazing to see it all come together. The PreFast facility, when we were looking at some of the internal components, especially the mechanical equipment, you're not bringing in something that we're not familiar with, but this is, you're bringing in a Cadillac product straight up front. When you bring in your Carrier air conditioning systems with your VAVs and your control system, which is web-based, very user-friendly for my staff, it makes it a lot easier to maintain when we're talking, you're bringing in a Cadillac or a Mercedes and you're not bringing in a Ford LTD, where we know it's going to break down 2 years from now. So we haven't had a lot of problematic issues with the mechanical systems, and that's first rate. So that's the first thing we look at. We look at the lighting components. Of course, there's Title 24 requirements, when it comes to meeting the energy efficiency within the facility, the insulating factors in the buildings, as far as keeping it cool for the kids and keeping it warm in the winter time. These are all factors that play a very important part in providing the environment necessary for the students to learn and be efficient and successful. So when you have a facility like this, it stands out for those reasons specifically, because you're providing something to students where they can be successful and achieve. They're not going to be walking into a portable that is 30 years old or 40 years old. This is what we've replaced with these two-story facilities that PreFast has put together.